Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and review at the Hux World, and it is the weekend and today is going to be a good day. All right, you all, let's check out a couple of watch faces I got for you all that I think is pretty nice, especially for the weekend. This one is called Bomb Torpedo. It's by SMB. I think this guy really got down on these two watch faces that I'm about to review. So let's check it out, right? Now again, Bomb Torpedo, I'm loving this one. Now in always on mode, you're going to get a basic analog look, which isn't bad at all. You can tell time at a glance, but when the watch face is on, you do get the best of both worlds. If you look at it, there is an analog clock there. At the top, you do get a digital time. With the AM stamp, you come down, you will get the day of the week. You also get your battery percentage and your step info. And I kind of like the second hand as well. If you look over to the left, you got your date. It's a plain and simple watch face, but the design of it is really nice and different, right? Now you can also double tap and you can customize the color of the watch face, and the developer gives you several in all to choose from, which I thought was pretty nice. Very nice. We're going to cycle through them just to give you an idea what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. I thought it was nice. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this one, right? And the price is right on this one. It's affordable in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. This one is also by SMB. This one here is pretty simple. The name of this watch face is called Silicone Digital. Now in always on mode, I like the way it looks in always on mode. It pretty much looks the same way when it's on. It's going to look slightly different on the Gears 2, and I'm thinking I like that look a little bit better. But when the watch face is on, here's what you get. Now you get, I got the name, mine is the Gears 3 Classic, right? And you get your digital time along with your date information. It's a nice, simple, plain look, right? But let's say you got the Gears 2 or the Gears 3 Frontier. You got Frontier there, and double tap again, you got Sport. And you double tap again, if you get the Gears 2, you can name it the Gears 2. I thought that was pretty slick. Again, this one is pretty simple, pretty basic, but yet different. All right, you all, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button on the way out because it's going to help the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Have fun, enjoy family and friends, and be safe.